You may have already watched some of the other great videos from Ionic that shows the demountable design features of the Portage system. In this video, I'm going to walk you around the filtration system, show you how to operate it, and show you how quick and easy it is to replace the filters. Let's start with an overview of the system. The first thing that strikes you about the Portage tank is its low profile. This means a low centre of gravity for vehicle stability, as well as creating a spacious feel in the load space. A common problem with flat tank designs is that pumps run dry when the tank is nearly empty, especially when the vehicle is parked on an incline. The Portage design cleverly overcomes this because the pumps are connected centrally to a perimeter channel that sits lower than the floor of the tank, which gently slopes towards the centre from front and back. So long as you're not parked on an extreme slope, if there's water in the tank, you'll be able to pump it. Let's take a look. There's a recessed and therefore protected gauge here to indicate the available water level. And the control panel is angled and it's also set back for its own protection. You'll find all of the controls and other things that require easy access mounted here. Beneath the control panel, there's a compartment for an optional large capacity 12-volt battery and a mains charger. Adjacent to the control panel, you'll find a convenient screw cap that can be removed for easy filling with purified water from a storage tank. Located centrally, acting as a large baffle, is the filter bay. Sheltered by a convenient compartmentalised hinge lid, all of the filters, pumps and valves fit in a self-draining compartment. The lid has customisable compartments with tie-down points. Lifting or removing the lid completely gives easy access for inspection and maintenance. This is the top of the range Portage, fitted with mains-powered quick-fill boost pump, stainless RO housing, ROMs and auto flush. However, the Portage is available in a number of affordable specifications, including a simple delivery system with no filtration at all. Ask your dealer for more information. I'd like to walk you through the fill procedure, but first let's talk about the filters and explain quickly the job they do, as well as how to change them. The first is a carbon filter. Ionic carbon filters use the highest grade dustless coconut husk carbon with a significantly higher capacity to remove chlorine than off-the-shelf drinking water carbon filters used by others. Refer to the user manual for replacement intervals specified in your area. The second is a 1 micron sediment filter that traps particles larger than around 1 micron. These perform significantly better than 5 micron filters and protect the RO from premature fouling. These sediment filters are inexpensive and should be changed at 6 monthly intervals. The third does most of the work by mechanically removing up to 99% of dissolved solids in tap water and flushing them to drain. The remaining permeate RO water is passed through the fourth and final polishing deionizing filter to achieve superior water quality. For optimum performance, the DI filter should be replaced when readings of 1 ppm, parts per million or more, are seen on the built-in TDS monitor. This machine also features a recirculation system for the water to make multiple passes through the DI to bring the water close to 0 parts per billion quality. On this machine, auto flush is activated at the beginning of each fill when standing water in the filters is flushed to drain. Then for 2 minutes at hourly intervals, the RO filter flushes automatically as part of a self-cleaning process. Perhaps the best feature of this machine is ROMs, unique to Ionic systems. ROMs, or reverse osmosis maintenance system, automatically replaces unfiltered tap water with the RO with pure RO and DI water drawn from the tank. Leaving the RO to bathe in pure water between fills is the best way to keep it from fouling. Bear in mind that replacement RO membranes are expensive. By maintaining the RO in an as-new condition, not only is excellent water quality maintained, but RO and DI running costs are significantly reduced. Let me show you just how quick and easy it is to replace filters. All filters are replaced in the same way. I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove the filters. I'm going to use this keyring, which I normally keep with my keys. So first of all, I use this to remove the John Guest across the top, and then there's this snap ring here, which with a small bit of this tool, just pop in there, comes away easily. And this comes to one side, it's nice and easy to come away, and then there's a seal, and then the filter just comes away nice and easily from there. There's the filter there. Now let's see how simple it is to connect the portage to water and electricity for easy filling with ultra pure water. It's always best to connect your water supply first, and because I'm in a hard water area, I'm using an inline water softener from Ionic here. That's going to remove harmful calcium that may otherwise foul up the RO membrane. There's more information about water softeners in the link, and there are maps on the website so that you can see whether or not you're in a hard or soft water area in your location. If you're lucky enough to be in a soft water area, then there's no need to use a water softener. With the mains water connected, add a length of hose to the reject water and connect it to a nearby drain. Ensure that none of the hoses are kinked and that the water supply is not interrupted during the fill process. Next, connect the mains electric cable to an RCD protected supply. Always route cables and hoses so as not to cause a trip hazard if possible. With the connections made, close this valve, switch it on and back it off to the lowest level, and then press this fill switch. By closing the valve and operating the pump at the minimum setting, you're enabling the DI recirculation system to operate automatically when the tank is full. All other functions are automatic and the filling process will stop automatically when that tank is full. Depending on the pressure and the temperature of the incoming water supply, this 600 litre tank can be filled from empty in less than 2 hours. When the tank is full, the water supply may be disconnected, but it's wise to leave the electricity supply still connected for longer periods, but only when a larger capacity battery and charger have been selected from the options list. For window cleaning, the two 12-volt pumps are operated by these two smart controllers, and they can be operated remotely. There's more information about that and how to clean windows professionally in the window cleaning video in the link. People often ask whether it's possible to fill the system on site and clean windows at the same time. Well, of course the answer is yes. However, it's only wise to do this if you plan to be on site for a few hours, otherwise you won't benefit from all of the automation features. Regular overnight filling is always best. There's lots more detail in the user manual, and Ionic have an online troubleshooting guide, including how-to videos in different languages to help users get the best from their reach and wash systems. This is one of a series of short films brought to you by Ionic Systems and the British Window Cleaning Academy to help you run a better window cleaning business. If you like what you see, please press subscribe and we'll send you a notification of when we create new videos. And please press the like button. Thanks for watching.